It's the range pickup for me. Oh, beautiful. Big Cupid. Big Cupid. Look at her flowers. It was the range pickup for me. Balloons. Oh, this is about to be epic. Mykonos, we're on our way.
We going to Mykonos?
Yes, today. You see how the helicopter looks? Oh my god, oh my god.
You better not cry.
I'm trying not to because I need my makeup to stay.
Aww.
Oh my god, go inside.
Oh.
This is about to be so epic.
All the planning, everything, fly out, back to back, fly out.
It's giving black girl luxury. Hey, Barbie. The one you can't play with.
At all.
So this is the actual helicopter we'll be taking. Here's another one. Yes.
It's giving birthday, girl.
It's giving birthday. You're glistening.
You see that? Thank you so much.
I can open it.
Oh, okay.
This is not my first rodeo. I've opened plenty of champagne. Plenty of champagne.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay.
Top is here.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Happy birthday again. Just that, right?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Oh my god, oh my god, it looks gorgeous. Oh my god, Ego, you're terrible. I really did not, you're like, did you set anything up for you? I'm like, no, wait. Oh my god, you're the room. Ego, thank you so much. Oh my god.
We had to get them away.
Oh my god, she
Had to get them away.
was like, you're not letting me surprise you now. I'm like, what are you talking about? It looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
It's so perfect. Wow.
How long have I wanted this room? We're talking 6 years.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you want to return, it's my
Day 1 Mykonos was a success. Did you enjoy your day?
I had an amazing day. Come see these decorations. No. And the pool.
Yes.
And the cave. This was
yes.
absolutely amazing.
Birthday at midnight.
I cannot believe it's going to be my birthday at midnight. I'm so excited.
Good morning. It's Cupid's birthday. Good morning, Eagle Empire. It is day 2 in Mykonos. Let's do an outfit check real quick. All right, so this is my swimsuit and cover up from Icon Swim. Gorgeous baby blue. Got these earrings from a accessories place in Miami. Very cute and simple. Yep, this is the drape. It goes all the way down. Front gives. Yes. So today is Cupid's birthday. Like I mentioned earlier when they brought the cake. Look at the birthday girl. Let me come this way because the light. Oh my goodness. Look at this and look at the details. All about the details. Earrings. Look at the eye makeup. Oh, she's gorgeous. And y'all, I showed y'all the cake when he brought it in. I just want y'all to see. This girl made a whole different cake. Okay? I got the footage of the first. Y'all seen the first. She done made it silver, then put some cute pearls. It's giving big Leo energy. I mean, y'all be calling yourself Leos, but I don't know. I think my friend got y'all beat. I think she got y'all beat. So we're about to do some photo shoots out here in the cave. How beautiful. This is the view from our room. So I'll give you guys a little review on the room later. But for now, we're going to take pictures. We're going to go down to the beach bed and get some breakfast. And then we're off to our next hotel. So I'll see you guys there. I might do some behind the scene footage of our photo shoot. And yeah, I'm excited. Happy birthday, Cupid. Play that is a blessed and prosperous one. And I love you. Thank you for inviting me on your trip.
Yeah, and me I understand, so your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, send me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. You got the way that you want, make tell me with this up and come. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up and come. I'm gonna watch it, baby, I'm gonna get a one making you, baby, I'm like making you, oh baby, oh no.
Alright y'all, I just want to do like a quick review over Cavo Tagoo, Mykonos. So yeah, if you want to take a picture with the pool, the cave pool is so cool. Loved it. Great for content. But the room is actually really small to me compared to the hotels that I've been in. And the view looks beautiful from Instagram's angle and when you're overlooking the pool. But in all actuality, it's right next to the street. It's right next to the street. I mean, you have the cruises and stuff over there, but yeah, it wasn't really what I expected it to be after seeing, you know, the famous cave pool on Instagram. And like I said, the actual room is really small, smaller than the rooms in Miami. So for what you pay, I'll show you what you get. So this is from the balcony. This big mirror, that was nice. The bathroom is just whatever. The 2 mirrors, the 2 sinks. And then this is the shower. So it's really not much to it, but the cave. The cave is the main attraction and is why they can charge you as much as they want to stay here. So I still loved the view. Of course, you always gotta come for yourself to see if you like it or not. But that was just my quick review. We're gonna head down to the pool and then go to our next hotel. Birthday girl doing 6 looks today. So we're getting out of here. Second day on Mykonos. Let's turn up. Cupid's birthday. Alright guys, we are at hotel number 3, our final hotel. So we are about to see our room. Cupid has already picked this one out. I haven't seen it yet.
And then shisha.
Hi.
Thank you.
Oh, the views are amazing.
The view is amazing.
I mean, yeah.
Oh,
So,
yeah. You can have
Very, very heavy on the very, very.
The food has been absolutely amazing.
you enjoyed it?
Oh, I think I've gained 10 kilos and I don't care. I am gonna eat.
Just have the time
I'm
of
gonna
life.
eat.
And you know, it's like in less than 2 minutes on foot, you can just go
To the
this is the
beach.
beach.
Wow. Beach access.
Complete beach access. Like the color of the water is unmatched. It's unmatched.
And the waters are crystal clear.
And it's warm. I think this
Pretty
is
little fishes also.
it's just it has been absolutely beautiful here.
This is going to be your gorgeous.
Are you ready?
Let's see.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh my no. Another bottle of champagne.
What?
Oh my
Girl.
no. I'm speechless.
Wow. It's adorable. This is beautiful.
Reaction everyone should have.
Oh, wow. Another bottle. Girl, we gotta drink these champagne bottles.
Just a couple of people.
Wow. Look at this view. We love a good
Ego. The
wow.
window. Of course. Oh my god.
View is
Okay.
amazing.
So I think I found.
The birthday girl's happy.
I am ready. I am speechless. Like
Shower is beautiful.
this place is.
Wow.
No, this place is gorgeous.
Isn't it? Just a couple of weeks and I'm gonna give you girls all the time you need.
to Cupid's birthday dinner.
Excited.
Look at this beautiful. Y'all not seeing the details. How you feeling, girl?
Oh, amazing. So
Happy birthday. Let's do a 360.
You made my birthday.
Yes. Thank you for inviting me. All right, off to dinner.
Yes.
Time for the fun part.
Excited.
All right, this is my outfit for dinner. We gotta go. This is quick. Little two-piece Fashion Nova. All right, y'all. They got us walking down, trucking the dinner. Only private cars can come down here, and smaller vehicles, which we were in a whole big old van. So yeah, this is what's going on right now.
This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do what's it gonna be? You are gone, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know be, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? You are gone, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know be, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm plenty survive with this. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Give me them. What's it gonna be? You are gone, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? You are gone, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Oh no, I got now.
Alright, so we just left the beach club. It was top tier, like this whole trip has been. I don't think I got my little two-piece outfit. This is one of the outfits that I want to wear today to the pool, but I had another outfit that is currently lost in Mykonos. I don't know how it didn't get from Cavo to here, so I'm still trying to figure out where that's at. Hopefully I find it tomorrow so I can go back and take my pictures. But about to change and go to the next spot because it's our last day, so why would we slow it down? It's only going up from here. All right, another outfit change. I think this is from Shein, and this little pearl clutch is from an accessory store in Miami. And the earrings, close up, Shein as well. Shoes, hot Miami shoes. Let's try to get those. Yep. And we're off.
You know finish them on fight us. If them they run them no beat catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like them. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pope. Let me clean like properly. Standing on my grind, oh yeah, they want telling me could be down my fantasy. What they chill with my daddy.
Everything looks so delicious. Let's see if it really is though.
You know what?
What you got? The lamb shank. What's this? Seafood pasta?
Mm-hmm.
And then I got the, what I get?
Saffron. No, this gotta be.
Yeah, because that one got the mushrooms and stuff in it, and you got dessert.
Mm-hmm.
Let's dig in. I'm trying to get rid of these beetles out of our pictures. Girl. Did the other one go?
You're on the thing.
Oh, Lord. Okay, Eagle Empire, I want to do a quick recap on the hotels that I stayed at. All of them will be on my itinerary, www.eagleescapes.com. You will be able to see everything. Every place that we went to, dinner, the whole shebang. But I wanted to give a quick review on each hotel. The first hotel in Santorini, if you haven't watched that vlog, go back and watch it. Absolutely love that hotel. The cave pool was everything. The structure, I loved everything about that hotel. The breakfast was delicious. Like the eggs, I want to just go back to that hotel, fly back to Santorini for them eggs. Yeah, so no complaints about that hotel. The second hotel, which I did mention the actual name, the Cavo Tagoo or Tagoo, whatever. I just felt like the room was like, it's overhyped. It's definitely overhyped. The Instagrammable pool, the cave pool, is nice, but the actual room is small. The view like really overlooks the street, but it looks like it's like just water in the background, how it's set up. The hotel was smaller than hotels that I've stayed at in Miami that cost way less. If you know how much that place costs, then you know you want to have a little more space. Everything was pretty basic. The beach club was nice. I did like their beach club. So if you're into that, not even beach club, if you're into like the poolside vibe, that was good. But they did throw out our champagne. We had 3 bottles of champagne. 2 of them they returned, so I was happy about that. And then the other one, the Prosecco one, like it was like 3 different lies about it. Like they were supposed to bring it down with the cake at the pool, and then they said that they couldn't bring it out because they were open, but then we had one closed that we actually bought from them with the room setup, if you've seen. I don't know, it was just a bunch of lies going on. The one lady said that housekeeping threw it out. The other guy said that being that it was open for 2 hours, he threw it out. So it was just a lot of different lies going on. So I didn't like that, but I did appreciate that they gave us at least 2 bottles back, and one of them was the Moet and the Prosecco, but they threw away our rosé Moet like that we had. So that sucked. And then also I had a little bag with all my souvenirs and 2 dresses that we were supposed to change into to go to the next spot, that they had brought down with our luggage, that to this day has disappeared. I had looks, when I say looks, for the place that we had went, the Louis Vuitton place, and the other place that we went to last night. Like I bought purses, accessories, shoes, down to the T, down to the accessory for both of those dresses, and they're both missing in transit from the time that they took the bag down, that we physically seen them take it down, to this hotel, which it never made it to our hotel's car. So I'm still calling about that, because one of the dresses in there was a dress that I bought off my friend's boutique, and then I had souvenirs from my mom and dad in there. So I'm very upset about that it's just lost in the wind. I feel like maybe somebody threw it out, or with all the lies that was said there, I really don't know. But I will say that everyone was like poolside was pretty friendly. And then for the last hotel that I'm at now, the views amazing, like as you can see. Views amazing. The people here super duper friendly. It's way less steps than the first place in Santorini, and it is all the transportation pulls straight up to your room. So wherever we went, the car was waiting outside for us. When we came back, we door side. We right here by our room. They drop us right off. The view was amazing. The food wasn't as good as the other places. Like every single place that I had food at was so good, y'all, so good. And I'm not gonna say it was nasty. It was just, you know, a little bit more on the bland side. But when you do breakfast buffets and things like that, can you really expect it to be, you know, super seasoned? So I'm not gonna fault them for that. But I absolutely love this place. Super Instagrammable, super aesthetics. And even past that, because clearly that doesn't only give a good review on a hotel. The room is big, the bathroom is nice, the shower is nice, just everything. The food here is less costly, so it's less expensive. And the only con that I had about the hotel that I'm staying in now is the mosquitoes. Like, as you guys seen the view, it's right by the beach. There is a lot of mosquitoes. So y'all, I got bit up. When I say bit up, I'm gonna show y'all some of the bites. As you can see, I got 2 bite marks on my face. Like, I'm just waking up with bites. I got big ones on my legs. But honestly, like, I think like Mykonos in general has a lot of mosquitoes, because in Santorini I didn't get bit at all. But now, honey, since I stayed here, I don't even know, like the mosquitoes was everywhere. Doors closed, doors open, doors locked. They finding you. I got them on my neck everywhere. So make sure you bring some type of spray. They have lamps outside as well, but obviously it was some already like inside because we had the doors cracked. So it could be our fault. We didn't know that the mosquitoes was like that. Overall, Greece, overall, it was so top tier, like absolutely top tier. Each hotel had its unique 10 out of 10 section, and I cannot complain. So once again, amazing. Get my itinerary, www.egoescapes.com. Cupid had plans this whole trip, and then of course, like, we're both travel influencers, so we had a lot of the same places saved on where we want to go. And that's why I love traveling with her, because we be like this, we be on the same page, we already be having the same stuff ready to go. And she made this trip top tier with the helicopters, with the yachts, and yeah. Okay, so update on Cavo. I just called them to try to put in my last pitch, because all day yesterday they were saying that they couldn't find it, blah blah blah. I called them pretty much telling them like, hey, my flight leaves today, I have a $200 dress in there, all my souvenirs from my family. What are you guys gonna do? Because the bag never made it to my new hotel. So that means that when I put it on there for y'all to take it down with my other bags, y'all never brought it. So they just called, and they said that they finally found it after I said how much my dress was and all the important stuff that was in there. Shocker. But yes, now I'm happy. So I'm going back to take my pictures. It's up and it's stuck, okay? Y'all not gonna mess over my looks, okay? Yeah. Hey Eagle Empire, it is the last day in Mykonos, the last day in Greece. This trip has been top tier, full of luxury. If you haven't seen part 1 in Santorini, go see that right now, because it's so much on that one. And then if you are on this one, Let me know how you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Since it's my last day, my flight doesn't leave until like 9 p.m. so checkout is at 12. I'm going to be at the pool. I'm about to go get some breakfast. I might go to the beach because this hotel does have beach access that you could just walk down and access the beach. So yeah, Greece has been amazing. Thank you so much, Cupid, for inviting me to this trip. Top tier. I don't know what you're gonna do for your 40th, but I know it's gonna be major. She started planning this last year, like on my birthday when we were in Bali. She said that she was coming to Greece, and here we are, full of luxury, full of good food, good vibes, good people. It was amazing. Yeah, so like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know where I should go to next. This is country 27. I wanted to be at 30 countries before my 30th birthday, and if you guys didn't know, my 30th birthday was last month. So I was at 26 in Spain. This is 27, so I have 3 more to go, which isn't bad, and it's, you know, still got a lot of months left of 2023, so I'm excited. I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Bye.
That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.